In this video, we're going to show you how to fix if Roblox is not installing properly on your PC. So as you can see here, this is the Roblox app on my desktop. This is not the browser. This is not Chrome. As you can see, this is the browser I'm going to show you, right? And this is Chrome pretty much. I could just, click this and just play the game if I want to. So we're not going to do that. So one of the main reasons why Roblox is going to be hard to run or install is because of your Windows firewall. So if you go to click the Windows Home tab here, what you want to do is just type firewall, and it's going to show you results. All you need to do is click on Windows Defender Firewall, and you're going to see here that for people who haven't touched anything in their system, this might look complicated because it is. And as you can see, private networks, guest or public networks, connected, not connected. These settings are being managed by vendor application Kaspersky because I do have an antivirus, which is Kaspersky Total Security. And if you're a Windows user and you have an antivirus, they will automatically be the ones who will be managing your Windows firewall. So there are a few ways to troubleshoot this, but if you go to the Roblox website with their help desk, it says here, check your firewall. A lot of antivirus or internet security software tries to control which programs, like what I said. For assistance with looking into this, allowing Roblox through any blockages, click here. So if you click here, you're going to be brought here. It's going to show you firewall and router issues, firewall security programs. So how to deal with these things. So this is one way. Another reason why you're not having any success in installing Windows or Roblox in your Windows PC is because of some update you probably need to do on your PC. So just click on, again, the Windows tab home screen and just type in update and just click for check for updates. And sometimes you will have an update that you need to install and restart your PC. So once you reboot your PC, it'll be kosher, right? Another and the last reason is your internet connection. So again, Roblox is an online game. Make sure you have a good connection, test your connection, and if it's slow, maybe restart your router. If still slow, maybe get in touch with your ISP provider. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.